Good evening, I'm Jeff Glor in Panama City Beach, Florida, and this region just endured one of the worst hurricanes in American history. The worst hurricane to ever hit the Florida Panhandle, the worst hurricane to ever hit the United States in the month of October on record. Tonight, the rain is basically gone in this region, but the wind is still here with us. You can see power lines down behind us, power poles down. Just across the street here, there is the side ripped off a building. That is a scene we are seeing all across this region tonight. Some of the worst damage this evening is in Mexico Beach. That is where Hurricane Michael made landfall around midday. Here's what it looked like in Panama City Beach when Michael made landfall. Again, that was a look at Hurricane Michael as it made landfall in our area, a hurricane which has now turned deadly. Here's a larger look at the day. The sound unmistakable. More like a jetliner at takeoff.
Oh my God.
Here in Panama City Beach, we were near the center of the storm as it blasted away. We are now approaching the worst of Hurricane Michael. The Palm Beach city manager here tells us that he thinks about 50% of residents have left town. At this point, they are no longer responding to emergency calls, and if someone has a life-threatening emergency, they likely will not be able to get there. When Michael made landfall, its winds topped out at 155 miles an hour. That is just 2 miles an hour short of Category 5. Gusts may have clocked in higher. Many wind gauges broke. This is what it sounds like right up against pretty much all windows as the storm just tries to push through as best it can. It was enough to rip rooftops off buildings. So right now we're inside the hotel with flashlights, pretty much hunkered down during the worst of the storm to try to get back outside whenever it's safe to assess the damage. Just a few miles to the east of Panama City Beach lies the tourist town of Mexico Beach, which took a direct hit. Michael appeared to flatten everything in its path. Storm surges up to 8 feet and rainfall topping 5 inches submerged many houses there. Other buildings lay in piles. Michael is the lowest pressure hurricane to strike the U.S. mainland since 1969. Nothing this ferocious has ever hit the Panhandle.